day 5. We have made it to day 5 somehow. I am so happy. I am up. I got up a little late. Like I told you yesterday, I was feeling like I have a little bit of cold, but that's okay now. I'm feeling good and I'm having my coffee. I had my brunch. I'm in red because we have an office event right now, which is for 3 hours actually. So I have to quickly get ready. I have exactly just 10 minutes to get ready and then like attend the event. It's going to be a virtual one because the team does not sit here. So I'm quickly going to do my makeup. Okay guys, it has already started. I'll see you later. Bye guys.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! The event is over in office. I got 2 awards. I was so happy. My name was in 2 places and I was so happy. The last R&R also I had got an award and this time also I got 2 awards. I'm so happy. The event just got over. They had a couple of games. Like although like the audio was not clear because a couple of us joined virtually and the remaining team was in Manila actually, Philippines. So we joined virtually but the game was super fun. It's almost 2:30 PM. I have another call now which I'm not sure it will happen or not. But after that we will do something Christmassy. Just wanted to show you this look. I love it. Because you know this is one of my favorite tops actually. A lot of people have seen me in this top. It's there forever and I love this top. So it's actually a cold shoulder top and it has a pattern here. So actually when I woke up I ordered like California burrito which I haven't finished still, so probably I will finish that. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Also guys, another quick update. We had a bring me game which means that they will tell an item and you have to get it any color or like any item. And my house is a mess because I am very competitive in games. I love playing games actually. Like not that kind but then like you know I like playing games. I'm so competitive. I really want to win. I know like the first round was like gibberish or something in which I answered a few. But yeah, that's the thing. I'm gonna finish my burrito bowl now and then I'm gonna finish some work and then I will see you in the evening. Bye guys.
One eternity later.
Hi again guys. It's later in the evening. I finished my work. So I thought I'll film a video for you guys. Also I redid my makeup. I made it a little more glam. I added some green eyeshadow. Some blush going on there. I really like it. This is the order that I was telling you about guys. This Santa hairband I didn't get anywhere but thankfully I got from one of the stores. Look at this. It is so cute. So I wore this in the office event today and it's so Christmassy. So guys, today I want to show you Christmas nail art and how you can do it at home at your own comfort. I'm going to use the basic nail polish. This is no acrylic or gel nail polish situation. We're just going to use the normal nail polish. I have got all the colors that I require. The red and the green you saw from yesterday's haul. And this is a glitter one, which is a golden glitter one. And then this is a white one. This is a white nail polish. So this is what we are going to use. So let's do the procedure properly. First we are going to remove the nail polish because I still have paint in my nails which is almost chipped. So I have to remove that. And then I will tell you next what to do. So I want to take one of the nail polish remover pads and then start removing it. So you just have to take it and then dab on this and see. Voila, so much nail polish comes out. I was just on a call guys sometime back with my mom and she was like, oh my god.
She was like, for a minute I thought you were in so much snow. Oh my god, that video. She was talking about my intro video guys. Then she was in a call with my first sister, so my sister told it is editing. And I was like, yeah, of course, like that place I would literally like freeze and it is editing for my Vlogmas video. Of course, she didn't know the concept of Vlogmas as well, so I told her what is Vlogmas.
So guys, I'm seeing many subscribers coming in. Thank you so much. That really means a lot to me. Also, please watch the video and like and comment. That would be really great. But I do see the traction going up and I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much guys, whoever is subscribing, whoever is watching my videos, whoever is sharing, liking, commenting, whatever. I am so grateful for that. Thank you so much. For a budding YouTube creator, that really means a lot. See, eventually it's just coming out. I'll use one more pad so that I can thoroughly remove it.
You know what, in the evening I was so sleepy and tired. I think also because of the slight cold yesterday. Actually it was fine in some time and then I think I slept around 2 AM yesterday after I posted the video pretty soon. I think 12 AM is when I posted the video, Vlogmas Day 4. And then by the time I slept, you know, because my pattern has changed a bit. So I'm going to use another one for the next time because this is almost full, so we got to throw it off. So my pattern has slightly changed and that is why I slept a little late. And morning, this delivery guy had come from the place I ordered. It was supposed to be yesterday, right? But they did not deliver yesterday. So he came today morning and I went and collected it.
Also guys, this lipstick is from Maybelline Creamy Matte. The shade is Bold Crimson. It is a bright red, kind of coral red shade. It is very flattering. So if you want to buy like a bright red lipstick, it could be a very good option. So affordable as well. Clean Creamy Matte is my favorite range actually. Okay guys, so if you can see, I've kind of removed the nail polish well, but still there is a lot of oil. So first we need to thoroughly wash the hands and then I'll come back. See you guys. So I washed my hands really thoroughly and then now we are gonna apply some lotion because it's going to be a little dry. For that I'm gonna use the Bath and Body Works Into the Night body lotion a little bit so that it's nice and moisturized. Guys, look at this, how neat and clean it looks. If you have the time, you can also do a full-blown manicure and also file your nails for the shape. I generally don't do the filing part because I quite like the shape of my nails, so it's completely fine. Okay guys, so I'm gonna apply red in this and green again here so that it forms a pattern. I'm gonna do 2 coats in these both again, but then meanwhile I'm going to do the same thing for this hand as well.
Starting, I was not good at applying nail paint in my right hand with my left hand, guys. So I always used to ask someone to apply for me. Now it is better actually. I can apply it on my own.
Please look at this. We still have more to do, but this needs to dry first and then we can do the rest. Meanwhile, I'll finish the second coats that I have to do for few nails.
This is what I do and the nail polish comes out. Yeah.
I was walking my 10,000 steps while this was drying. It is almost dry. If you want, you can leave like this, guys. It already looks very nice. It looks very, very Christmassy. It has all the colors, red, green, white. But if you want some design, you can still do it. I will just show you how you can add a little more design to it. So first you will need a very pointed brush in case you want to make a design. Thanks to my sister, she got a kit like this for me. And when you open this, let me show it to you. When you open this, it has a very pointed brush. So that's why it needs to dry thoroughly in order for you to make any design on top. So I'm gonna try this, guys. I hope it comes out well. So what I'm going to do first is on top of the white nail paint, I'm gonna add 2 lines and you will see how. So for that, first I'm taking the green nail polish. So you have to be very careful doing this because it can spoil the entire nail paint, especially the white one that I applied, right? It's quite like a paint consistency, so I can already see it coming off. So be very careful. You can buy also the gel nail polish that even dries faster and it is more smooth, so you can do that. But I have this for now, so I'm going to use this and then I'm going to add a red line on top of this. You might want to take another brush if you have like this, or else you can wipe it or like clean it up really well and then use the same brush. Okay guys, this is how it is. I could have made the lines a little bit thinner, I guess, but nevertheless it's okay. So I added a green line and a red line, and the same thing I want to do here as well. Doing this on the right hand with the left hand is little difficult, guys, but nevertheless it's coming out well. Guys, I ended up covering the lower part full with green. It kind of got a little messy, but then if you're doing, make it thin line because the thicker one really is little bit difficult. Okay guys, last step, I'm gonna take a golden shimmer nail paint and apply in 2 nails, 1 green and 1 red, and leave the remaining 2 plain. Ooh, look at this, guys. How pretty. Looks so pretty. 1 green here and 1 red. I have covered in slight golden shimmer. Same thing I'm gonna do for the other hand as well. Oh my god, I'm so loving this. Also guys, you know what, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. I called the nail salon again today because I was like, okay, let me just get it done, because like for a long time I've been thinking if I have to get like the nail extensions or not. And then I called her and then she was like, we have an appointment. Yesterday they told me a different price, today they told me a different price, and then she told me, okay, if you're just starting with it, you can do the basic one. I was like, okay, and I told her the appointment time, and after some time I was checking the Google reviews for this particular nail salon, and of course there were a couple of negative reviews, and one of them had written when they went to fix a broken nail, they tried to do something instead of like soaking it and properly removing it.
Then the nail got so chipped that blood started coming. I was like, I am not going here volunteering. I am not doing this to me.
Oh my god!
That is very scary, guys. You know, it's very like, you know, I'm thinking a lot about this, but still, you know, this is too much. And she even posted a picture and it was so gross. They had chipped off the nail till here, and I don't know what they were trying to do, because they have to like soak it and remove it slowly, something like that. I don't know the procedure, but then that's what she had written. And that sounded very painful. That sounded extremely painful. And then I didn't show up for the appointment. I was like, I'm not doing this, and I will rather apply. I know this does not stay for long, but I would say you can either apply it on Christmas Eve or on 23rd, because it will be good for the next 2 days at least.
This is the nails, guys. Look at it.
I feel this is so good for Christmas. I feel it is very Christmassy, although this part could have been thinner. The lines could have been thinner, but nevertheless, I think it is good. The red, the green, the white all look so good together. You can definitely try this. You can actually mix and match different styles as you want. You can do like a complete glitter, or you can like avoid this and just do red, green, or you can do just one red and all the other nails green, or else like one green and all the other nails red in one of the hands. That also looks amazing. I've tried that and it looks very, very nice. So you can try that as well. But this is the nails, guys. Yeah, I am so happy with how it looks. I'm genuinely very happy. I just got 2 of them, red and green, and then the glitter and the white one I already had with me. You can just buy 4 nail polish or 2 nail polish as you want. So if you don't want to spend too much, I think this is a very good option. You can do something like this. It is so pretty. And green also, I would say be very choosy while you choose the green color. I had a green nail polish already, but it was not the kind of green I wanted. It was more like a pastel green, so I didn't want that, and then I went and got this one, which is the Christmassy green that I needed. So yes guys, I am going to add some rings. You already know by now, ring is my thing. I definitely need to add rings wherever I go. Rings are one of my favorite accessories. So yeah, look at this. Once I added the rings, this is how it looks. So pretty.
I'm gonna talk like this for the next video. Say hi like that. So yes, this is how the final nails look.
I think the little bit glitter is really nice and it's not too much. So yes guys, I think I'm also going to end the vlog here, because I will do the 10k steps after this, and then that's about it. I'll edit the vlog and I'll be posting it. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 5 guys, and if you really like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments below. And please stay tuned for the remaining vlogs guys. I am so excited. I have a couple of things planned. I really hope that you like the simple Christmassy nail art that you can do at home. I will come up with more such videos guys, so stay tuned. That's all for today's video guys. Bye guys. Oh, bye guys.